What is Hensley Homes to you?
It is an adventure that we came up with. I guess I did.
Yeah, you did.
After many years of in the construction industry, we decided it was time to do something different. He'd been crawling around in attics for years, and we decided that it was time to do something that we both wanted to do. And so he came home one day and said, it's time to start a company, and we're going to call it Hensley Homes, and we're going to build these because we both love it.
I hope that anybody that is walking into one of our homes immediately says, I can live in this. Because that's the whole idea behind what we do. It's to make sure that we can function in a smaller space and be able to do the same kinds of things that we would have done in a regular home.
I think we've had several people come over and visit, and you know, we are a builder of tiny homes, and we live in a tiny home. We live in Hensley Homes tiny home. And I think when you walk in, and the first thing you're going to notice is the attention to detail and the open feel of what we try to do with our tiny homes. We don't want it to feel tiny. We just want it to feel comfortable and luxurious in a smaller space. If you're looking for a luxury tiny house, and I know that sounds strange, but yes, a luxury tiny house, hensley-homes.com. Check out our gallery of the house that we've built, that we live in, and fill out the form. Reach out to us, give us a call, shoot us an email, any of those things. We'll FaceTime with you. We can set up a tour. If you're seriously wanting to have a tiny home, luxury and tiny can go together.